In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best pocket option discount code. If you're looking to get the most out of your trading experience by saving some money, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow. First, head over to the most innovative trading platform, Pocket Options website. Once there, navigate to the main dashboard where all the trading magic begins. If you haven't been here before, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their clean and user-friendly interface, engineered for both beginners and experienced traders. Next, you'll want to find the Market section. This is typically where Pocket Options showcases a variety of features intended to enhance your trading activities. On the platform's main page, look for the Market tab. It's your gateway to exclusive offers and more. By clicking here, you can access a world of options some traders might overlook. Make sure you're signed into your account, otherwise you won't have access to everything the market offers. Now that you've landed in the market area, you might wonder why this section is so pivotal. The pocket option market specializes in a range of resources that aren't just readily given away. Here, you can browse through essential trading aids that you can purchase using crystals or your account balance. These gems can vastly optimize your trading abilities, and scoring a discount could mean more resources for you to trade or invest back into your account. Let's hone in on finding those